In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the QuickBooks online default email message text. This is really helpful if you send invoices, sales receipts, or estimates directly from QuickBooks, and you want the emails your customers receive to sound more like you and your business. By customizing the default message, you can save time, keep things professional, and make sure every email that goes out has the right tone and information. Start by signing into your QuickBooks online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your main settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings options. When the settings menu opens, you'll see different columns. Under the column labeled Your Company, click on Account and Settings. This is where you control many of your global preferences, including how your sales forms and emails behave. Inside Account and Settings, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Sales. The Sales section controls how your invoices, estimates, and other sales forms look and how they are sent out to your customers. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Messages. This section is specifically for the default email content that goes out with your sales forms. On the right side of this Messages section, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to start editing. At the top of this Messages area, you'll see a drop-down labeled Sales Form. Click on that drop-down and choose the form type you want to customize. For example, you might select Invoices and other sales forms if you want to change the message that goes out with your invoices, or you can pick estimates or other options depending on what you send most often. Once you've selected the form, you'll see fields for the default email subject and the email message body. This is where you can type in the wording you want your customers to see. You might include a friendly greeting, a short explanation of the attached document, payment terms, or a thank you message. Keep it clear and concise so customers immediately understand why they are receiving the email and what they need to do. When you're happy with your changes, click Save in the Messages section and then click Done at the bottom of the page to confirm everything. From now on, QuickBooks will use your updated default email message text whenever you send that type of form.